Hello, today let's talk about methods of cleaning. So we are going to talk about 8 methods of cleaning. So we have a dusting, we have a mopping, vacuuming, sweeping, polishing, scrubbing, burnishing and stripping. So let's discuss about 4 methods first. So under dusting also we have 2 methods, dry dusting and damp dusting. In dry dusting, we just remove the dust with the help of a dry piece of cloth. And in damp dusting, we just apply certain cleaning agent on the piece of cloth and then we do the dusting. But in damp dusting, the surface has to be cleaned on a daily basis so that there is not an large amount of dust should present on that surface. So after that we have a mopping. In mopping also we have a dry and wet mopping. In dry mopping, basically we use this method in public areas. We used to clean floors of lobby and restaurants. We just remove the dry dust from the surface of the floor first and then we will do damp mopping with the help of cleaning agent. Now we have a vacuuming. Vacuuming is also known as suction cleaning and it is basically done on a carpeted areas. Then we have a sweeping. Sweeping is done with the help of broom, but it is not used inside hotel areas. It is considered unhygienic. Then we have a scrubbing. Scrubbing is basically done to remove the stains and hard dirt particles. Basically it is done on a hard surface. It has to be done on a regular interval of time. Thank you.